Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Bitstamp account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Bitstamp account, begin by navigating to the Bitstamp website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once completed, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Bitstamp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Bitstamp login page. Log into your account using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will receive a prompt to complete your account verification. Click on the verification link to start the identity verification process. You'll need to provide personal information, such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Next, upload a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure that the document is clear and legible to avoid delays. Following this, you may also be asked to upload a proof of residence, like a utility bill or bank statement. Ensure the document includes your name and address, matching the information you provided earlier. Once you've uploaded all necessary documents, submit them for review. Bitstamp will then take some time to process your verification request. You will receive an email notification once your account is successfully verified. Upon receiving confirmation, log back into your Bitstamp account. You can now proceed to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Go to the security settings and follow the prompts to enable 2FA. Finally, you're ready to start trading once your account is fully set up and verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.